Welcome to adding fractions. The rule for adding fractions is the denominators have to be the same number. The denominators are the number on the bottom and the numerator is the number on the top of the fraction. The denominators are the same, so we simply keep it, slide it over, and then we add the numerators. 2 plus 5 is 7. And that's the answer. So that was pretty easy. Let's try another one. Let's look at another fraction addition problem. The denominators are the same, so we simply slide it over and we add the numerators. When the top number and the bottom number of the fraction are the same number, then it equals 1 whole. You can think about it like a pizza. The denominator means that there's 8 pieces and they're all exactly the same size, so we're going to pretend that I can draw perfectly and all these are the same size. And the top number means how many pieces, say, you're going to color. How many pieces you're going to shade. 7 and 8. So when we shade all 8 out of 8, it's the same thing as 1 whole, or 1 pizza. Let's look at another fraction addition problem. Alright, we've got 5 sevenths plus 4 sevenths. The denominators are the same, so we can add. Now, this one we have a fraction that the number on top, the numerator, is larger than the denominator. This is called improper. Improper fractions mean that the top number is larger or the same. So in the last fraction, 8/8 was also improper. And this one is improper. Let me show you how to fix an improper fraction. You're going to divide the top number by the denominator. 7 goes into 9 one time. 1 times 7 is 7. You're going to subtract and you have a remainder of 2. Now we're going to write the remainder as a fraction. So here's the remainder of 2 and the 7 is going to come around and end up on the bottom. So this is your answer, and the answer is 1 2 sevenths. Let's take a look at a simple problem involving subtracting fractions. Again, our denominators are the same. We can't subtract fractions unless they are. So we're simply going to slide the denominator over, keep it the same, and now we're going to subtract the numerators. 9 minus 7 is 2. So the answer is 2/10. If you've learned to simplify fractions, then you need to ask yourself the is question. Is your fraction improper? No, that means the top number is the same or bigger. The numerator would be the same or bigger. It's not improper. Is your fraction simplified? And no, it's not. 2 and 10 both have 2 in common. They're both even numbers and they're divisible by 2. So I'm going to divide the numerator by 2 and the denominator by 2. And the answer would be 1/5. So if we simplified this problem, the final answer would be 1/5. And that's subtracting fractions with like denominators.